We all appreciate great service, and that's why we work so hard to give everyone the very best. And nothing is more rewarding than receiving a glowing review from someone we've made very happy with our service. Here's what they had to say. This kind of feedback is so important to us because it lets us know we're doing a great job for everyone. And that just motivates us even more to keep providing the best service we can for years to come. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.